Today, we're diving into the vibrant and captivating city of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Nestled in the stunning Banderas Bay, Puerto Vallarta is a resort city that has captured the hearts of travelers from around the world. In this video, we'll explore why this destination is a must-visit and provide you with some exciting suggestions on how to make the most of your time here. One of the top reasons people flock to Puerto Vallarta is for its incredible outdoor activities. From fishing to whale watching, surfing to lounging on pristine beaches, there's something for everyone to enjoy. For the adventurous souls, a visit to the Marietas Islands for scuba diving or sailing is a must-do experience. And let's not forget about the food. Puerto Vallarta is a foodie paradise, offering a wide array of delicious Mexican cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're craving street tacos or gourmet dishes, this city has it all. But Puerto Vallarta isn't just about the activities and food. It's also a place where you can immerse yourself in the rich Mexican culture. From traditional dances to vibrant festivals, there's always something happening that will give you a glimpse into the local way of life. And of course, we can't ignore the weather. With its year-round sunshine and average temperatures hovering around the mid-80s, Puerto Vallarta offers the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. So, if you're looking for a destination that combines adventure, relaxation, delicious food, and cultural experiences, Puerto Vallarta is the place to be. Stick around as we take you on a virtual tour of this enchanting city and show you why it should be at the top of your travel bucket list. Imagine this. You're dreaming of a tropical getaway, a place where the sun kisses your skin, the ocean breeze whispers through your hair, and every moment is filled with adventure and relaxation. Puerto Vallarta, Mexico is that paradise waiting for you to explore. But before we delve into the excitement that awaits in Puerto Vallarta, let's take a step back in time. This charming city was once a small fishing village until it transformed into a bustling resort destination, attracting visitors with its natural beauty and warm hospitality. Over the years, Puerto Vallarta has evolved into a vibrant hub of culture, cuisine, and outdoor activities, making it a beloved destination for travelers seeking a taste of Mexico's charm. Now let's address the challenges and opportunities that come with planning a trip to Puerto Vallarta. One common obstacle travelers may face is the language barrier, as Spanish is predominantly spoken in the region. However, this presents a wonderful opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and learn a few phrases to enhance your experience. Nevertheless, locals in Puerto Vallarta are accustomed to speaking English since the economy benefits greatly from international tourism. When it comes to activities, the options are endless. Fishing enthusiasts can reel in the catch of the day, while nature lovers can embark on whale-watching tours to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Surfing along the pristine beaches, exploring the hidden gems of the Marietas Islands, or diving into the underwater world through scuba adventures are just a few of the thrilling experiences that await you. And let's not forget about the culinary delights that Puerto Vallarta has to offer. From street vendors serving up mouth-watering tacos to upscale restaurants showcasing gourmet Mexican cuisine, your taste buds are in for a treat. So, despite the slight trouble of boarding a flight, the opportunities for unforgettable experiences in Puerto Vallarta are abundant. Get ready to soak up the sun, savor the flavors, and dance to the rhythm of this enchanting city that beckons you to explore its wonders. Outdoor adventures. Puerto Vallarta offers a plethora of outdoor activities for adventure seekers. From fishing excursions in the deep blue waters of Banderas Bay to thrilling whale-watching tours where you can witness these magnificent creatures up close, there's no shortage of excitement. Beautiful and colorful birds are a common sight in town. Sometimes you may even see a crocodile. Iguanas are plentiful in this town too. In fact, the 1964 Oscar-winning film, The Night of the Iguana, takes place in Puerto Vallarta. Surfing and beaches. With its golden sandy beaches and perfect waves, Puerto Vallarta is a surfer's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to catch your first wave, the beaches here offer the ideal setting for a day of sun, sand, and surf. There are several nearby surf spots with beginner-friendly waves up to larger and more challenging surf for experienced pros. Marietas Islands. A visit to the Marietas Islands is a must-do experience. These hidden gems boast crystal-clear waters, vibrant marine life, and secluded beaches that are perfect for snorkeling, diving, or simply seeing the beach hidden inside one of the islands. You can take a truly iconic selfie here and see these enchanting islands for yourself. Scuba diving and sailing. Dive into the underwater world of Puerto Vallarta with scuba diving adventures that will take you to colorful coral reefs and fascinating marine ecosystems. This amazing Pacific Ocean location offers great locations for diving. For a more leisurely experience, set sail on a boat tour and explore the coastline from a different perspective. The protected yet large bay is an ideal place to learn how to sail. Culinary delights. Mexican cuisine is a highlight of any trip to Puerto Vallarta. Indulge in mouth-watering street tacos, fresh seafood dishes, and traditional Mexican fare that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Cultural experiences. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of Puerto Vallarta by attending traditional dance performances, exploring local markets, and participating in festive celebrations that showcase the vibrant spirit of the city. There are many festivals throughout the year that celebrate folkloric dance, surf, and much more. This town is a popular vacation destination for national holidays too. So expect to meet Mexican nationals from around the country coming to soak up the sun in this wonderful city. Perfect weather. With its year-round sunshine and warm temperatures, Puerto Vallarta boasts an idyllic climate that makes it a desirable destination for travelers seeking a sunny escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. It is an ideal snowbird destination for those wishing to escape harsh winters. Many visitors live part-time during the winter, then return home during the warmer months. Late summer can get quite warm, though. The rainy season is from June to October. However, there are always events to enjoy year-round. Nightlife and parties. Puerto Vallarta is renowned for its lively nightlife and electrifying party scene. The city's famous Malecon boardwalk pulses with energy, featuring a diverse array of bars, clubs, and restaurants that cater to all tastes. From sleek rooftop lounges with stunning ocean views to thumping dance clubs that keep the music going until dawn, Puerto Vallarta offers a perfect backdrop for unforgettable nights out. The Zona Romantica in particular is a hotspot for revelers, known for its welcoming atmosphere and eclectic mix of entertainment options. Whether you're looking to sip cocktails by the beach, dance the night away to Latin beats, or experience wild-themed parties, this is the ultimate destination for those seeking to go wild and make lasting memories. Puerto Vallarta offers a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, culture, and culinary delights that make it a top choice for travelers looking to experience the best of Mexico's charm and beauty. Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor activities, delicious food, or cultural immersion, this resort city has something for everyone to enjoy. Let's delve deeper into the allure of Puerto Vallarta and explore the multifaceted reasons why it continues to captivate travelers from near and far. While the city's stunning beaches and exciting activities are undeniable draws, there are various perspectives to consider when contemplating a visit to this Mexican gem. On one hand, the abundance of outdoor adventures, from fishing to surfing, offers thrill seekers an adrenaline-pumping experience against the backdrop of breathtaking natural beauty. The opportunity to witness majestic whales in their natural habitat during whale-watching tours adds a touch of wonder and awe to any visit. Conversely, for those seeking a more laid-back escape, the tranquil beaches of Puerto Vallarta provide the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're basking in the sun with a good book or taking a leisurely stroll along the shore, the calming rhythm of the ocean offers a peaceful retreat. Moreover, the cultural richness of Puerto Vallarta invites visitors to immerse themselves in the vibrant traditions and flavors of Mexico. From savoring authentic Mexican cuisine to partaking in traditional dance performances, the city's cultural tapestry weaves a colorful narrative that celebrates the essence of Mexican heritage. As we consider the great weather that graces Puerto Vallarta year-round, it's hard to resist the temptation of basking in the warm sunshine and enjoying the perfect climate that sets the stage for unforgettable experiences. So, as we explore the myriad reasons why Puerto Vallarta is a must-visit destination, we invite you to reflect on what aspects of this vibrant city resonate with you the most. What draws you to Puerto Vallarta? Is it the thrill of adventure, the allure of relaxation, the richness of culture, or the promise of culinary delights? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below as we continue to unravel the enchanting tapestry of Puerto Vallarta's appeal. As you consider your next travel destination, keep in mind the wonders that await in Puerto Vallarta. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or simply a taste of paradise, this resort city has it all. We hope this video has inspired you to add Puerto Vallarta to your travel bucket list and explore all that this captivating destination has to offer. So pack your bags, set out on your own Puerto Vallarta adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy travels!